Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be tackling multi-step equations. So in today's video we're going to be seeing this problem that we see down here, and we're going to see the steps that we need to follow in order to solve it. So let's begin. Okay guys, so as you guys know, the first thing we need to actually take into consideration when solving a multi-step equation is that we have to use the distributive property if needed, right? So in this case, we have a parenthesis here. So we're very likely going to be using the distributive property. Apart from that, we need to remember that we have to add or subtract to isolate the variable. We have to multiply and divide, and then we have to check our solution, right? Which is optional. So guys, the first thing we need to do in this case is that we're going to use the distributive property in order to multiply 4 divided by 5 by the whole parenthesis. So when that happens, we need to multiply by each term in the parenthesis. So 4 divided by 5 multiplied by b is 4/5 of b. And then it's going to be plus 4 divided by 5 times negative 5, right? So this is going to be 3.2. And that is going to be equal to 4 divided by 5b, right? And then 4 divided by 5 times negative 5. So this is going to be minus 1. And then minus 1 times 4 is going to be minus 4. Now this negative 4 is going to pass to the other side, right? Because we won't be alone. So whenever we pass it to the other side, it's going to add. So 3.2 plus 4 is equal to 4 divided by 5b. So that is going to give us 7.2 equals 4/5 of b. Now, 4 divided by 5 is actually multiplying b. So when we pass it to the other side, we have to divide, right? So we divided by 4 divided by 5, which is the same as multiplying times 5 divided by 4, right? So whenever we do this, we have to know that whenever we have a fraction and we are actually dividing by a fraction, that is the same thing as multiplying by the inverse of that fraction, right? So 7.2 times 5, that is going to be 36 divided by 4. And that means that the answer is going to be B, equals to 9. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So as you can see, we use the distributive property. We moved everything that is a number to the other side. And then we isolated b by dividing 4 divided by 5. And that's pretty much how you do it, guys. So see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills. And make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!